Is your Amazon Echo Show having Bluetooth issues? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the device. When Echo device is having Bluetooth issues, the first thing you can do is restart the Alexa Echo Show device. Unplug the power adapter from the device or the outlet. Wait for about 3 minutes. Plug the power adapter back into the device or outlet. Method 2. Update software. You can try to update software using Alexa and see if this helps fixing the issue. You can simply say, "Alexa, check for software updates." Ensure your Bluetooth device also has the latest firmware updates, which may improve compatibility with other devices like your Echo. If this doesn't fix the issue, then move on to the next step. Method 3. Verify Bluetooth compatibility. Confirm that your Bluetooth device uses a supported Bluetooth profile. Alexa supports Advanced Audio Distribution Profile, Audio or Video Remote Control Profile. Method 4. Reduce interference. To improve your Bluetooth and Echo devices' performance, move them away from potential interferences, sources like microwaves, baby monitors, and other wireless devices. These can disrupt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signals, causing connectivity issues. Relocating your devices to an open area away from walls, large furniture, and metal objects will enhance signal strength and reliability. You can, with different placements, and use the Alexa app to find the best locations for optimal performance, ensuring Alexa understands and responds accurately. Method 5. Charge your Bluetooth device. Ensure your Bluetooth device maintains optimal connectivity. It's important to keep it fully charged. Low battery levels can cause various issues, including weak signal strength and connectivity problems. Always use the original charger that came with your device, as it is specifically designed to provide the correct voltage and current for efficient charging. Using third-party chargers can sometimes result in incomplete charging or even potential damage to the battery over time. Method 6. Repair Bluetooth device. If you have previously paired your Bluetooth device, remove it from Alexa. Then reinitiate the pairing process. Swipe down from the top of the Echo Show display again. Tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, tap on Bluetooth. Find your Bluetooth device in the list of connected devices. Tap on your Bluetooth device and choose to either disconnect or forget device or similar options. Your Echo Show should confirm that it is now disconnected from the Bluetooth device. Begin the pairing process again. And there you have it. The method to fix the issue: Amazon Echo Show having Bluetooth issues. We hope the methods have worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about which method has solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.